2022 da matam loikraba Manipur Panchayat ki election tha taruki manungda pangthokadabani haina Manipur High Court na direction pikre. High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice Ampaya Sama Shekhar amasung Justice A Guneswar Sharma ki Division Bench na ngasi 2022 da Manipur Panchayati Raj A ki makhada Panchayat Body sing 2017 da election tawduna 2022 da tongan ba Panchayat Body sing ki tama si loikraba matung Matamadugi state government na panchayat body singi election pangthokpa ngamdabadagi Manipur Panchayati Raj Act 1994 ki section 22 ki makhada elected members sing adubo appointed member of administrative committee haina mingthonduna Jila Parishad ki administrator oina sahi manga puhanduna lakhibane adubo High Court ki division bench asina Commissioner RDN PR Government of Manipur amade tongan ba petitioner sing na tharakiba writ petition sing plap tawsilaba matung Division Bench asigi ngasi famkiba final hearing da mamang da single bench na takiba Jila Parishad amasung Gram Panchayat ki elected members sing makhata na member oina puhanba yagani haibagi order ado set aside tawkre aduga Manipur Panchayati Raj Act 1994 ki section 20 ki makhada Indian Constitution ki article 243E na piriba Gram Panchayat ki tenure asi sahi manga oigadabani haiba rule asi abhol tawgadabani amade Manipur Panchayati Raj Act ki makhada section 22 clause 3 amended provision asina elected Gram Panchayat ki members sing annual loikraba matung makhoi ki power sahi manga sanggokpa si ayaba pide hairiba provision sing asi yenglaga state cabinet na lawkiba decision Gram Panchayat ki administrative committee na khanba amasung Jila Parishad singge administrator sing khanbagi order asisu division asina set aside tawkre Makata na Gram Panchayat ki appoint tawraba administrative committee amade Jila Parishad ki administrator sing Gram Panchayat ki election tawdriba fawba makhoi ki tama si tha taruk sangdokani haiba state government ki order adubo division bench asina set aside tawkhibaga loinana division bench asina state government Manipur state ki waina Panchayati Raj election ase tha taruk ki manungda nauna pangthokadabani haina direction pikhe ningsingba yai mamangda palamba BJP lainga ki matamda Manipur ki oina Jiribam district yauna Tampaki district singi oina local cell body singi election 2017 da pangthokraba matung panchayat amadi municipal council ki elected representative singi chahi manga ki matam adu rules ki matungin na chahi manga mapung phadu na 2022 da loikraba tungda matam adu ki BJP laingak na panchayati Raj yauna local cell body singi nauna election pangthokta na Indian Constitution na piriba decentralization of power ase violate tawduna lakhibane tungda BJP laingak aduna ngami haibagi matagum cabinet decision lawduna Manipur Panchayati Raj 1994 ki section khara amend tawduna Panchayati Raj yauna local cell body singi elected representative singna makhoi ki chahi manga ki matam loikhrabaso administrative committee amade administrator haina mingthonduna Panchayati Raj amasung local cell body singi mathau tawhalaga lakhibane lainga ki thawong asibu yaningdaba phongdoktuna tongan ba political party sing amade lanai mioi kaya na state cabinet na lawkhiba warep ki mayokta Commissioner RDN PR na state ki mahut sinduna Tampaki district singi deputy commissioner sing amade director Panchayati Raj amasung mioi kharagi mathakta state government ki decision adu chanahan biganu haina High Court writ petition oina file tawrokibane Amaromda respondent wariba state government asinasu petitioner gi mayokta amuk appellate waiduna High Court challenge tawrukibane hai riba case ngasi tongan ba High Court ki single bench na matam gi waina judgment piduna lakhibane tungda case asigi arwaiba judgment waina mari lainaba writ petition sing adu hai riba division bench asida thagalatuna hearing sathaba haurakibani haire case asida appellate ki maikeida Attorney General of India R Venkataramani High Court ki Advocate General Lenin Hizam amasung Junior Government Advocate A Baigyan Lepkhe aduga respondent singi maikaida Senior Advocate M Ibotombi amasung Mistress N Savitri Advocate N Jotendro amasung Advocate S Murzata Ahmad aduga Interventor waina Senior Advocate S Bisorjit Advocate N Presta Senior Advocate K.S. Tarun Kumar Advocate T.S. Maria amasung Advocate ayang layman na lepke atombigi masanupi de izat manghali haibagi maralda court na matay manaw jelda thabak subagi phadok pikre ngasi fast track special court number 1 na 2019 ki August 3 da thokiba thogdok aduga mari lainana Sagoltongba mayai leikaidagi Moirangthem Ibochauba Singha amasung mahaki loinabi Moirangthem Ongbi Angau Leima Elias Abe Debibu under section Pokso Act 2012 amasung 34 IPC section ki makhada haukiba August 18 Maral leire haina lauthokraba matung ngasi court asina Ibochaubabu maralgi matungina lupa lising yangkai fine thianduna amade chahi manga jail da thabak subagi phadok pi khibaga loinana mahaki loinabi Moirangthem Ongbi Angau Leima Elias Abebuna tha taruk jail da thabak subagi phadok pi khibane prosecution ki court ta pikhalakhiba report singi matungina 2019 ki August thada main accused oiriba Ibochaubana mahaki lonabi nupi ki chahi nauribi nupi masa amabu masing khangdana izat mangali haibage complaint sing hairiba victim oiribi nupi asigi mamana Imphal West Women Police Station da tharakhiba complaint amagi matungina Ibochau amasung Angau Leima Elias Abe amade khaide mayai leikaidagi hawaibam manglemjau chahi yangkai ga mathoi kauba miyoi ase police na faraba matung makhoi mathakte FIR number 33 close 8 of 2019 WBS IW under section 6/21 Pokso Act 2012 amasung 34 IPC panduna makhoi mathakte investigation chathaba haurakibane tungda case asigi ayona hairibe accusing asigi mathakta court charge sheet thangalakuna case asigi trial chathaba haurakibane tungda maralai rehaina charge sheet yauriba hawaibam manglemjau sing ase court hearing chathaba matamda case asiga mari leinana mahake involvement se prima facie evidence oina puthokpa ngamdaba maramna court na maralai ti haina lauthokhe